You know that moment when two worlds collide perfectly? Comedy and crime drama? Well, that's exactly what CBS is giving us as Elsbeth makes its return for Season 3. And this time, the show is pulling out all the stops by bringing none other than The Late Show's Stephen Colbert into the mix. Yeah, you heard that right. Colbert is officially stepping into the world of Elsbeth. Fans have been buzzing ever since CBS confirmed that his character was specifically written for him. That alone sets the tone for an episode that's equal parts hilarious, clever, and packed with surprises. The Season 3 premiere, titled Yes and, promises to be a wild ride. The episode takes Elsbeth into the fast-paced, unpredictable world of late-night television. A perfect setup for chaos and comedy to unfold. Carrie Preston, who continues to absolutely own the role of Elsbeth Tassioni, teased that this premiere will be full of Easter eggs and nods to real-life talk show culture. Between celebrity cameos, quick wit, and sharp mystery twists, fans are in for something truly special. And let's be honest, any episode that blends Colbert-style humor with a police investigation is already a must-watch. Stephen Colbert steps into the role of Scotty Bristol, a charming but layered late-night host who seems to have more going on behind the scenes than what audiences see on camera. The setup? A tragic twist unfolds behind the curtains of his show, dragging Elsbeth and the NYPD into a case filled with secrets, egos, and plenty of showbiz drama. Colbert's natural comedic timing is expected to add a refreshing tone to the darker moments, creating the kind of balance Elsbeth does best: smart humor mixed with deep, unpredictable storytelling. Joining Colbert are two comedy legends, Amy Sedaris and Andy Richter, and their roles fit them like a glove. Sedaris plays Laurel, the sharp-tongued, no-nonsense head writer who's always one step ahead, while Richter steps into the shoes of Mickey, Scotty's loyal but mischievous sidekick. The trio's on-screen chemistry is electric, and according to Carrie Preston, it made filming feel like a live comedy show within a crime drama. That mix of humor and mystery has always been the show's secret sauce, and Season 3 looks like it's turning that flavor all the way up. Carrie Preston hinted that eagle-eyed viewers should keep an eye out for subtle nods to The Late Show, as well as a few hidden references to Colbert's real-life persona. Those little Easter eggs, she said, make the episode a treat for fans who love TV culture. But beyond the fun and games, there's still the classic Elsbeth energy we all love. Clever legal puzzles, unexpected emotional beats, and Elsbeth's quirky brilliance leading the charge. As for what's next in Elsbeth Season 3, CBS has been keeping the details tightly under wraps. But if this premiere is any indication, we're in for a season filled with big guest stars, unpredictable storylines, and the kind of humor meets heart storytelling that makes the series so addictive, with Stephen Colbert's character adding a whole new dimension to the narrative. Fans are already calling this one of the show's most anticipated returns yet. It's clear that Elsbeth has found its rhythm. Smart, sharp, and unafraid to play with genres. Season 3 is shaping up to not only deliver its trademark clever cases, but also dive deeper into the entertainment world, giving fans both laughs and goosebumps. Whether you're in it for the mystery or just to see Colbert shine in a scripted role, this premiere is the perfect way to kick off another bold, unpredictable season. So mark your calendars, CBS fans. Elsbeth is back and better than ever. Between the star power, the humor, and the heart, this season's opener has all the right ingredients for a perfect blend of crime and comedy. Stephen Colbert's appearance might just be the spark that takes the series to a whole new level of brilliance. Grab your popcorn, because Yes and isn't just a title. It's a promise that Elsbeth is ready to say yes to even bigger and bolder storytelling. What makes this Elsbeth premiere particularly exciting is how it pushes the boundaries of the series' usual formula. While the show has always expertly blended witty legal drama with quirky humor, Season 3's Yes and ramps up the stakes by placing Elsbeth into a completely different world, late-night television. Carrie Preston explained that this setting allowed the writers to explore a fresh layer of storytelling, combining behind-the-scenes TV politics with the unpredictable genius of Elsbeth's investigative skills. Stephen Colbert's Scotty Bristol is the perfect character to bring out both the comedic and dramatic potential of this environment, creating moments that are at once hilarious and tension-filled, keeping viewers on the edge of their seats from start to finish. Behind the cameras, the synergy between the guest stars and the main cast was reportedly electric. Preston described the filming process as collaborative and highly energetic, noting that having Colbert, Sedaris, and Richter on set brought out some of the best performances from the regular cast. Their improvisational skills blended seamlessly with the script, giving certain scenes a spontaneous, real-time feel that's rare in scripted TV. Fans familiar with Colbert's wit and Sedaris' unique timing can expect a series of interactions with Elsbeth that are layered, sharp, and occasionally absurd in the best way possible, elevating the premiere into a standout episode for both returning viewers and newcomers alike. The premiere also incorporates a range of subtle Easter eggs and pop culture references, which Preston hinted would reward observant viewers. These nods include playful winks to real-life late-night television moments and even inside jokes from the guest stars' own careers. For dedicated fans of CBS programming or those who love behind-the-scenes commentary on television, spotting these Easter eggs adds an interactive element to watching the episode. It's these clever details, woven into the storyline, that enhance Elsbeth's reputation for intelligent comedy. A series that not only entertains, but respects its audience's knowledge of the world it's portraying. The narrative tension of the episode is heightened by a tragic twist that brings Elsbeth into contact with the NYPD backstage. This storyline is layered, showing that even in a world filled with laughter and TV glitz, serious and unexpected events can intrude, requiring Elsbeth to navigate the complexities of crime-solving in a high-pressure environment. The juxtaposition of comedy with real stakes is what sets Elsbeth apart from other legal dramas. And the writers clearly intend to use these contrasts to deepen both character development and audience engagement. Stephen Colbert's comedic timing helps balance these heavier moments, ensuring the premiere remains thrilling without becoming overly dark.